Saab Sonett III, 97, 1970–74. The 1970 redesign of the Sonett V4, named the Sonett III, was initially undertaken by Sergio Coggiola, but Gunnar Rastgren altered it to fit the existing chassis without expensive manufacturing line changes. Hinged rear window glass replaced the Sonett II/V4 rear compartment hatch door. With the mandate for a bulgeless hood, the engine compartment opening evolved into a small front pop-up panel, resulting in more limited access than in the Sonett V4. Extensive engine work required the removal of the entire front hood section. To help adapt the car to US market tastes, the Sonett III featured a floor-mounted shifter, instead of the Sonett V4 column-mounted shifter, and optional dealer-installed air conditioning. The Sonett III's hidden headlamps were operated manually using a lever. US safety regulations required new low-speed impact-proof bumpers after 1972, significantly detracting from its Italian-inspired design. All Sonett III were LHD. While the 1970 and 1971 model years initially had the same 1,500cc Ford Taunus V4 engine as the Sonett V4, emission control requirements reduced the available horsepower. The model years 1971 to 1974 of the Sonett III used the 1,700cc Ford V4, but to meet increasingly strict federal regulations, net power output remained the same as the 1,500cc engine, at 65 horsepower, 48 kilowatts. Still, the Sonett III accelerated from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in 13 seconds, and, due to a higher differential gear ratio, 42 teeth on the ring gear and 9 teeth on the pinion gear, than the standard 95/96 transmission, 39-8 achieved a top speed of 165 km per hour, 103 miles per hour, aided by a drag coefficient of 0.31 CD. Disappointing sales, especially during the 1973 oil crisis, led Saab to end production in 1974. A total of 8,368 Sonett IIs were manufactured between 1970 and 1974. Saab used the Sonett III original body also for a test build powered by a steam engine. One of the test cars has survived and was on auction in Stockholm in July 2019.